Let's read short, words with Olivia.
Hi friends! Welcome back to Olivia's Learning Corner. I'm so happy you're here because today we're learning a brand new sound. The short sound. Can you say like up, umbrella, under? Say it with me. Great job. Now let's read some words with the sound together. Are you ready? Let's go.
Word practice. Short, words 1 to 10.
Say, now say, s, na, sun, sun. Say it with me, sun. Next, ga, like a mug of hot cocoa. Mug. Here's one. Ba, ga, a little bug. Say it, bug. Let's try, ra, ga, rug, like a soft rug on the floor. Rug. Say, ka, pa, cup, drink from a cup. Cup. Here's another. Ha, ga, hug. Give someone a big hug. Hug. Try this one. Na, fun. Reading is fun. Fun. Say, ba, na, bun, like a hamburger bun. Bun. Next, pa, pa, pup. A little dog is called a pup. Pup. And now, ta, ba, tub. Take a bath in the tub. Tub. You're doing amazing. Let's read 10 more short words together.
Word practice. Short, words 11 to 20.
Say, ga, gum. Chew your gum. Gum. Here's one. Ka, ga, cut. Be careful when you cut. Cut. Say, na, ga, nut. A squirrel eats a nut. Nut. Next, da, ga, dug. He dug a hole in the sand. Dug. try this. Ra. Na. Run. Let's run fast. Run. Say. S. Pa. Sup. Another word for a little meal. Sup. Sup. Here's another. La. Ga. Lug. It means to carry something heavy. Lug. Say. Pa. Ga. Put. Put it down gently. Put. Let's read. Ja. Ga. Jug. Pour water from a jug. Jug. And the last one. Ba. S. Bus. Ride the bus to school. Bus.
Review time.
Wow, you are such a great reader. Let's say all of our short words one more time. Sun. Mug. Bug. Rug. Cup. Hug. Fun. Bun. Pup. Tub. Gum. Cut. Nut. Dog. Run. Sup. Lug. Put. Jug. Bus. That's 20 words. Amazing work today.
Optional activity.
Here's something fun you can do after the video. Draw a picture of your favorite short. A word, like a sun, a bus, or a pup, and write the word next to it. You can even make your own word book. Thank you for reading short words with me today. You're learning more and more every day. I'm so proud of you. Don't forget to subscribe so we can keep reading and having fun together in Olivia's Learning Corner. Bye-bye, readers.